Last time, one of my subscribers says to me, I like oyster pancake very much. So, I'm gonna make oyster pancake today. I prepared 150 grams of oyster just for one serving and some chives and red chili pepper. And I prepared some vegetables such as onion and chili pepper for dipping sauce. Let's cut all the vegetables. This is for oyster pancake batter. And this is for dipping soy sauce. I'm gonna wash the oysters in the way I said to you last time. I toss it very gently with the fingers using some coarse salt and rinse it. And I add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to remove the oysters smell. And drain it on a colander. And during draining, I'll make dipping soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of plum syrup, half teaspoon of sugar. And mix well. And add some vegetables. Next, oyster. And wipe it with a kitchen towel to get rid of moisture. And in case of a big oyster, I score it once or twice to cook inside well. Like this. For the next step, I have 2 different bowls. One bowl for the dry coat and the other for the batter coat. In the first bowl, I put the pancake mix and starch powder. 1 spoon of pancake mix and 1 spoon of starch powder. And in the second bowl, I put 4 tablespoons of pancake mix and 4 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, and mix well. And add chopped chives and red chili pepper and some black pepper powder. And mix well again. This time, I prepared 1 plastic bag and pour this powder and put oysters for dry coat. And shake it like this. Keep coat evenly. Okay, now that I'm finished the preparation, I heat the pan and add a generous amount of vegetable oil. I dip the oyster in the batter. And gently lay them in the pan. turn it down to medium heat or medium low heat. Turn it over when the bottom begins to look golden brown. There we go. I'm gonna try this. That's good. Dipping sauce. So savory. It's great. This is your oysters season. Please make sure to make oyster pancake. Thank you. Goodbye.